In today's tips and tutorials video, I'm going to show you how I make unique stretch bracelets. I don't just string on regular beads. I kind of mix it up a little bit. So I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek on how I do that, and also some tips as usual, and a couple other tutorials that I mixed in there. Hope you enjoy. Here are some tips for growing your business. If you're new here, I'm Tiffany Tahaya, and I built a successful jewelry business from the ground up, and I now teach people how. Growing a business is about consistency and connection. Here's what worked for me. First, I stayed active on social media, even when I didn't feel like it. Showing up builds trust with your audience. Second, I focused on great customer service. A happy customer is your best marketing tool. And lastly, I invested in learning. I didn't know much about marketing or business at first, but taking courses and watching tutorials made all the difference. How to stop beads from rolling everywhere. If you work with beads, you know this can be very frustrating. Here are my favorite ways. First one is a tray. Preferably one with some soft material inside so that it'll stop the beads from rolling. Second is a beading mat. These are like a super soft felt material, and they also stop your beads from rolling. It makes it super easy for you to work with your beads because most of the holes are facing you. When I first started making jewelry, I made this right here out of a shoebox top and a beading mat, and I've used it for years. You can tell by how beat up it is, but it still works. You can find these beading mats in my Amazon recommendation. Hope this helps. Follow for more tips. All right, how to open a jump ring. This video is needed because some people honestly just don't know. So this is going to be real quick. Wrong. Okay? That bends your wire or whatever you're using for your jump ring out of shape and makes it, it's just not right. You just don't do it like this, okay? The correct way to open a jump ring is side to side, like that there. That way, either way, it's still lined up with each other, okay? There you go. So here's a jewelry business tip for today. When it comes to social media, do not get discouraged because follows do not mean sales. What do I mean by that? When I had hardly any followers, I still made sales. Probably more sales back then than I make now.